Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a wonderful day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you freeze or how can you hold a clip in Adobe Premiere Pro. So guys, to freeze or hold a clip, just go to Adobe Premiere Pro and here you will see the clip is here. You need to select from a moment where you need to hold the clip. Just like if you select from this moment, just right click on this clip and you will see this option, add frame hold. You need to just click on this and you can see from the previous options, from the previous clip, the clip is ongoing, and from this clip you can see the clip is holding and it freezes like this. You can do for other things as well, other clips, just like this one. If you select from this moment, you can just right click on it and click on add frame hold. You will see from the previous clip it is ongoing, but from the next clip it is holding. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe Tactim channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.